Right, students. Let's continue with our discussion as we wrap up the barter part of our study, which we have already studied its limitation, a primitive method, an old method, right? Direct exchange method, which is no longer prevalent. Now, one point, if it is asked in exam for you, that what are the trading costs involved in undertaking a barter transaction, you should be able to answer it once you've understood the meaning of it. So let's go a little bit deeper into it. The individual A who is possessing wheat in our example is looking forward to someone, let's say for example, who is having rice, and at the same time, students, double coincidence, wants to buy the wheat possessed by A. So barter will not happen unless we find the right person, may it be B or C. If not D, then might be E, right? So in order to run from pillar to post, he has to incur what you call it as search cost. So whenever trading cost will be explained, it has to be explained in terms of the search cost. Now when I say search cost, don't directly be confused in the time wasted. Time wasted, all right. But remember, the time which he has wasted could have been utilized somewhere else. And where somewhere else? It could have been extra production of wheat itself by A, which he has wasted the time in identifying the right person who is going to procure his wheat and give him rice which he is searching for. So, if I have to say search cost, I would rather say the opportunity cost as such. Now, opportunity cost, if you remember last year, students, in 11th class, you might have studied the next best alternative. Had he not been going into searching all this, what he would have done? He would have produced more of the wheat, isn't it? So, search cost should always be reflected in terms of the opportunity cost of searching. Opportunity cost of searching is the amount of wheat which he could not extra produce because he wasted his time in searching for it. Am I clear? Plus, remember, by the time he is searching the right person, it may happen that his wheat may get deteriorated, may get reduced in quality. Now, who is going to fulfill it? So, search cost, whenever comes, try to express in terms of opportunity cost. And second one is the possibility of deterioration in wheat by the time he finds the right person who will procure his wheat. I hope all of you understood. The trading cost, its first representative is the search cost involved. If any doubt persists, you can put forward your queries to me. Now, come to the next aspect of the trading cost, which is equally important, right? Search cost expressed in terms of opportunity cost as well as deterioration, which may be possible. But remember, student, as an individual, don't you think how much by the time you have found the right person, maybe E, after going to B, C, D, and then finally landing up with E, how much of stress, anxiety, and unnecessary buildup of tension which will take place within you, which is not going to be of any use whatsoever. It could have been easily avoided, or it could have been easily avoidable, if I have to say so properly. But because it is barter, that anxiety, stress is bound to happen in finding the right person. Now, last year, you all have studied utility in the initial chapter in microeconomics. Utility, remember, can be expressed in positive terms if it gives some value to you, if it satisfies your want. But if it doesn't satisfy your want and adds insult to your injury by giving you stress, anxiety, or tension, it will be called as disutility. So, in undertaking barter, another element which is almost guaranteed is what? Disutility, which is involved in waiting. When I say disutility, I mean to say the negative emotions which will creep up with the person by the time he finds the right person who will be able to buy his product. I hope it's quite clear. So trading cost, if it comes in the exam, possibility may not be very high, but if a good question has to be asked deep into the requirement, they may ask you 1 mark question for trading cost. It has 2 elements, search cost, expressed like this, and this other one is disutility in the weighting. Thank you.